Hi learners! Today's learning goal says, I can describe the connection between a series of events in a text. For today's learning goal, we're going to use a book titled Changemakers. In the book Changemakers, we meet these two girls, Madison and Rhiannon. They are from Michigan, and they are part of the Girl Scout organization. They were very important in the movement of the rainforest salvation. Let's think about causes and effects. So in this part of the book, the girls ask people to write emails to the Girl Scout headquarters. Because remember, these girls were learning that the rainforest was endangered because of the cookies and how they were making them with certain oil. Because the girls got involved, people sent 70,000 emails. So the effects of them asking people to write the Girl Scout headquarters, they got over 70,000 people involved. The emails asked that Girl Scout cookies be made without destroying the rainforest. So they wanted to make sure products were used without palm oil. That's the oil and the ingredient that in the cookies that harms the rainforest, and as a result was causing fewer and fewer orangutans to be left in the world. So since the girls took action, makers of many of the cookies do not harm the rainforest by using that palm oil, which is a good thing because I sure do love Girl Scout cookies, don't you? These cookies are made without harming the rainforest. As a result, or as an effect of all the girls' hard work, these two girls received the United Nations Forest Heroes Award. Great job, ladies! Let's review the connection between events. The causes and effects. So the girls asked people to write emails to the Girl Scout headquarters, and the effect of that was that more than 70,000 emails were sent. The emails asked that Girl Scout cookies be made without destroying the rainforest. And the effects of that were that many makers of the cookies do not harm the rainforest. And lastly, the cookies are made without harming the rainforest, which then is the effect that the girls received the United Nations Forest Award. So as you can see, each cause has an effect. And after that effect, it causes something else. It's like a chain reaction. Your learning goal was to describe those connections between a series of events, just like I did in this text. See if you can apply this learning goal in a text that you're reading.